Hey guys, sorry for the next second video. I accidentally hit the stop button, so I have to record one more time. Sorry, not one more time, like a second video. So here, so who's a predator and who's a prey? Okay, the one which feeds on other is the predator. The one who eats is the predator, and the one who gets eaten by is the prey. Okay, so this is the predator, and this is the prey. So if you see here, if there is a decrease in the predator population, okay, the one who eats, if it gets decreased, then the other gets increased because the number of predators, when it decrease, the price will increase because it will not be eaten by more. But when there is an increase in predators, okay, when there is an increase in predators, they need more food and they feed on more prey. So the prey number will decrease. Okay? So when one increase, it automatically influences the other. And here is another graphical representation of how it goes. So if you can see, when the predator population increases, automatically the prey population becomes to decrease. So you can check that out throughout the graph. Okay, so one population helps to maintain the other population as well. This is again a graphical representation which we will talk maybe in class. So in the meantime, pause the video and try to analyze what is the change in the predator and prey population here. Commensalism. Okay, there is one more thing that you need to know. Commensalism. Okay, where they are not benefited, they are not harmed at all. So they'll just live in the same environment. They don't bother each other, either positively or negatively. Their relationship is just neutral. They just live in the same ecosystem. That is it. So now you are going to practice what these questions are. Okay, what these questions are: a tapeworm that eat partially digested food that deprives the host of some food. So here a tapeworm which is living inside the digestive system and it feeds on the food that is digested. Is it mutualism, parasitism, or competition? If you get it at parasitism, you got it right because one is benefited and other is harmed. Here, the dogs supply protection and companionship, and the humans provide food and shelter. So, what is happening here? Are they both benefited? Are they both like have a negative response or nothing? Both get positive response, right? So that is an example of mutualism. Next, the tick that burrows into the cow skin to suck blood. You are going to find which category is this: mutualism, parasitism, or competition. I'm not going to give you the answer, you are going to find out. Large trees that block sunlight from the bottom of the forest floor. Think about it. Competition for sunlight. So large trees that block sunlight from the bottom of the forest floor, is that mutualism, parasitism, or competition? What is it? This question: a shrimp that digs a burrow into the sand and lives there with the gobby fish. Because the shrimp is almost blind, the gobby fish will touch the shrimp when a predator is near. So a shrimp is digging a burrow and is living with the gobby fish. As the shrimp is blind, it gets a sign from the gobby fish when there is a predator. Predator, you know what it is? The organism which eats the shrimp. So what kind of relationship is this? Mutualism, parasitism, or competition? If you get it as mutualism, you got it right. A lion defends its kill from the pack of hyenas. A lion defends its kill from a pack of hyenas. You're going to find what it is. So that is the end of today's video, today's lesson. We will just keep doing this, and I'll stop by when I'm done with my class. Okay, see you all in next video.